Do you have old, outdated equipment you want to trade in for something more current? Sound Select now offers the opportunity to bring in your old equipment for cash or towards your new equipment with a 5% discount. Trade-ins include musical instruments, PA, sound and light equipment, and everything and anything. So whether you're a church, club, school, or bar, let us work our magic and keep you current. Can't bring your old equipment in store? No problem. Our staff will come to you and assess your old equipment free of charge. With Sound Select, we put the cash back in your pocket. So help us help you.